Hey, what up, G fam? In today's video, I'll be going over 10 fall fragrances for beginners, and we're starting right now. So we're gonna start this video off from the house of Emporio Armani. We have Stronger With You. So this fragrance right here is a nice, warm, sexy, spicy fragrance with some vanilla that is very sexy and seductive. This fragrance is nice and perfect for club nights if you're looking to grab those girls' attention when you're out and about and trying to have a good time. So make sure you check this fragrance out, because this fragrance will get you those compliments during those club nights. So coming up next, we enter in the house of Dolce Gabbana and we have the One EDP. So this fragrance right here is a very sexy, warm, spicy, amber tobacco fragrance that is very sexy and perfect for date night, all right? If you're looking to take those girls out and make an impression, this bad boy right here is gonna deliver, because this fragrance is very sexy and seductive, all right? So make sure you end the night strong with Dolce Gabbana, the One EDP. So this next fragrance for me caught me by surprise, but this fragrance is freaking good for its price point, and that is Halloween Man X. So for $30, this fragrance is freaking sexy and very attractive, all right? There's a warm, spicy, coffee-based fragrance that is good. It's a bit of a gourmand type of a scent, and I'm telling you, it's not gonna let you down for $30. All right, so if you're looking for something that is nice and cheap, that performs very well and gets you those compliments that you're looking for, well, check Halloween Man X, because this fragrance is on the budget line. Okay, so now we're gonna hit you with another sexy fragrance. This whole list is just full of sexy fragrances that's gonna get you compliments for you beginners. All right, so coming up next, we have Azzaro Wanted by Night. So this fragrance is a warm, spicy, cinnamon, fruity, woody, citrus fragrance that is just sexy, seductive, delicious, you name it, with great performance and great longevity. And this is another fragrance you can pull out during the club nights, all right? If you're looking to grab those ladies' attention. All right, so if you're a beginner, this fragrance is freaking amazing and is gonna satisfy you and everyone around you. So make sure you check this fragrance out, especially if you love that cinnamon and fruity combo. So this next fragrance is a nice, fresh fragrance and it's freaking amazing, all right? And it's perfect for the fall, pretty much. It's very versatile, all right? And that is Acqua di Gio Profumo. So yes, just because you have some warm, spicy fragrances for the fall, also bring a nice freshie, because freshies are easy to enjoy and is a beast in the compliment department, all right? The ladies love those fresh scent, and there should be no reason why you don't have one in your collection. So make sure you're checking out Acqua di Gio Profumo, because this fragrance is a versatile scent that can be worn all year around. Spring, summer, winter, and fall, especially for your sexy beginners. Check this fragrance out if you haven't already. So coming up next is the player of all players, and we have Versace Eros EDP. This fragrance has a combination of that freshness, that sexiness, of sweetness, and it is just freaking good with some crazy projection and longevity, all right? This fragrance right here is gonna make you notice in any facility you decide to walk into, especially the club. So if you're not familiar with this fragrance, just know this fragrance is very popular and it's for good reasons, all right? The ladies enjoy these fragrances, all right? This fragrance is just an absolute beast. So make sure you check this fragrance out if you're trying to feel nice, sexy, and freaking playful, because I know you're a freaking player. So for the next fragrance, we have Dior Homme Intense. So if you guys like that Irish fragrance with that bit of powderiness, this fragrance does just that in a sexy way. So this fragrance pretty much comes off as a nice, sexy lipstick vibes that people enjoy, people love, all right? Especially those ladies, all right? But people think that lipstick vibe is feminine, but it is not, all right? It is very sexy and seductive. The ladies are gonna enjoy this fragrance, and trust me, you're gonna get those sexy compliments that you're also looking for. I'm starting to feel like I'm just hooking you guys up with a bunch of clubbing fragrance, and guess what? Because the fall is the best time to go clubbing and smelling freaking good. So coming up next, we have the king of freaking clubbing, and that is Ultra Male. So Ultra Male is just a sexy beast. Performance, longevity, this fragrance has it all. So this fragrance is very sweet, sexy, seductive, very juicy, all right? The ladies are gonna enjoy this fragrance as well. And like I mentioned before, this fragrance is the king of clubbing. But honestly, whatever fragrance you decide to pick from this list, to me, they're all king fragrances for the club, all right? So make sure you check those fragrances out, including this one, and see which one you prefer to kill it during club night during this fall. So this next fragrance is one of my favorites, vanilla fragrance, and that is Nishane Ani. So this fragrance is a vanilla gourmand fragrance that is absolutely delicious, all right? Freaking delicious. This fragrance is not gonna let you down, people. Check this fragrance out, all right? Because I had this fragrance not so long ago during my dancing social, and I'm telling you, the lady just could not stop complimenting me on this fragrance. They couldn't stop smelling me. They just wanted more, all right? So make sure if you're looking for those girls' attention to be drooling over you, check your boy Delicious Annie from Nishane. So now we're coming up to our last fragrance. Guys, if you guys are enjoying the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up as it really supports this channel, because this list right here is freaking fire, all right? So now we're moving on to the last fragrance, and that is Dior Sauvage Elixir. So I'm sure y'all all are familiar with the Dior Sauvage line, and I'm telling you, all those fragrances and those lines are freaking amazing, all right? They're all good for the youth, especially for the grown-up, but to me, this one takes the cake. To me, this one is the best in the line. The performance of this fragrance compared to the previous Sauvages is just a big gap. This fragrance is God tier, and you're gonna be smelling freaking good in any situation during the fall, the date night, club night, office, you name it. This fragrance is king, all right? King at top of the Sauvages, all right? So make sure you check this fragrance out. And I know this fragrance is a little more expensive than the original Dior Sauvage, but if you can afford it and you want to stand out from the crowd, well, check Dior Sauvage Elixir. If you're looking for the original, those are not bad. Those are not bad choices, especially if you can afford them. You can get them on discounters and just pull whichever one you want. Any Dior Sauvage is fine. Just make sure you're killing it this fall. If you guys looking for some straight up designer fall fragrances that are freaking good, that's gonna kill it this fall, check this video right here, because I go over 10 designer fall fragrances that are freaking amazing. See you on the next video.